Good day, guys. So today I'm going to be interviewing three people from three different countries. One is from Tunisia, one is from Atlanta, USA, and the other one is from Sweden. And I can't remember the name of the town. Apologise. And today I'm going to be interviewing them. They're three different age groups. One's only 18 and he's dropped out of school to come and live in Thailand. So it shows that anyone can do it. I'm going to give you the prices on how much they earn each month, okay? The three different sort of niches. And then after that, I'm going to tell you exactly how much I earn. And it was probably going to blow your mind. So next few months, so I'll stop now, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. So in the next 3 to 4 months, I'm going to be doing a giveaway competition where basically it's going to be a digital nomad experience. You get to come out, learn some of the techniques that we do and teaching the editing and the different things about different niches, all done by myself. I'll pick you up from the airport. I'll get all your lease signed, your lease for 2 weeks, rental signed and paid for. Everything will be prepared for when you get here. And there'll also be some spending money as well. You won't need a thing. As if you didn't know, I am a boxing coach. I've been teaching for over 20 odd years, as well as a personal trainer. I've got another channel called Hitters Fight Team. If you want to follow that, that would be amazing. But we're going to do some interviews now with a little bit of coaching in between to mix the content up. And then at the end, like I say, don't forget to hear how much I earn. It will blow your mind and give you all the incentive if you want to be a digital nomad and want to come out here and try it. Right. So, firstly, we've got my friend here, Lucas. He's from Sweden. How old are you again, Lucas?
What's up?
And Lucas is, what did you get to it?
18.
18. Only 18 years old. Moved from Sweden, dropped out of school to pursue a career online in Thailand. And work on the jab to start with. Okay. So, cockpit. So, how long have you been here for now?
Since April, that's like 6 months.
Since April, so yeah, about 6 months. So, how you finding it? Still enjoying it?
Amazing. I might live there a couple more months for sure.
Okay,
Even
cool.
years.
Well, the main question we are is, one, what do you do? Jack. Really relaxing, get it low, nice and relaxed. As you move that way, don't let me legs go too far around, remember? Just little bits. Good. You work with
it's quite amazing. I love it here.
Yeah. What do you do compared to back home? What would you say the cost of living is?
Honestly, when it comes to like food, cost of living, transportation, maybe obviously here is much better. Like the infrastructure, transportation, quality of life is much more elevated. Like you think about it as a third world country, and in some ways maybe it is. Maybe like some people are living like below the poverty line and they're struggling. But if you make enough money, the quality of life is amazing. It's like first world. I can't really start. So like in comparison to where I'm from, like what I said, like food, supplies, it's about the same, if not cheaper here.
Okay.
But when it comes to like
your
rent,
so what do you
much
pay?
cheaper.
What
much
do you
cheaper.
pay monthly rent now, roughly?
I pay about $250 USD. No, 270 actually,
Oh,
9,000
okay.
baht to be exact.
Okay, so yeah. £300.
The condo is amazing. Like it's literally like a service. It's like a hotel. It's a service condo.
If you haven't seen this condo, check out my condo tour video. This at the end. I'll put it on for you to watch.
Yeah.
And then
So you get your pools, your gym, your kickboxing gym. Like it's on the river, so you can. There's literally a park in the condo that oversees the river. Like food market, night market, KFC 24/7. Like you have everything you
you
need.
ain't got to go past half a mile, have you? Like a
Right.
kilometer.
If this was in Tunisia, it would be like 90,000. It would be like something like that. It would be crazy price, right? Like
Really, sir. Good. And more wind. Keep your arms tighter. Okay. Here's your shot. More like a bit more bend in the legs as well. Give a bit more weight in it. So, and you do a semi squat. You throw your hip flexors.
Yeah.
Then that's what should come in play. That's where the power generates. From there. Okay. And again. But have a bit more weight on your back legs as well. And I'll hold in front of you for the rotation. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
wow, it would be at least.
And then
Here's the crazy thing. Like I've seen places like this in Tunisia that go for like 9,000 a day. Like they would do a day.
what's that in like US dollars?
No, not $9,000.
Yeah,
No,
what's
I mean
that
baht.
per
I mean
day?
baht.
What would you say in $200 a day?
Yeah, like 300. Like I'm not
Okay.
even lying. Like it's like
So one day in Tunisia, you can pay for a whole month.
not what I'm thinking about. Like the exact thing I'm thinking about is like a house on the beach.
Yeah, I mean with the same sort of like beautiful.
Exactly, yeah,
That's how much it would
Like
be.
a house that is like close to the beach. It's not on the beach, but it's like in a close community. Something like this, right?
So,
but this is a condo.
You know,
obviously.
1 month's rent in the UK with all the bills and everything has paid for my whole year here.
Yeah, you told me that.
That's
That's
insane.
crazy. Yeah.
It's like, and then the main thing everyone wants to know is how much you earn and what do you do, if you want to disclose.
Yeah, I'm not gonna disclose exactly, but if you're coming to Thailand, no matter like it, obviously it's like depends on the lifestyle and like
Yeah.
what you're doing, but like you can do what Steve is doing, which is basically like get your savings up, get I don't know a couple $1,000 and you can like live. They can pay for rent for the whole year and still have like extra cash to like live comfortably, semi-comfortably. But I would say you at least need like 1,500 to like 2,000 a month to basically be sure if you have like
To be completely free.
yeah.
I'm doing it on a lot like 700, but that is me.
That's definitely doable too.
Yeah, it's doable,
100%.
like you say. But then if you're earning a bit more, like you say, if you're earning over $2,000 a month or more, and you're that comfortable, and you've already got a good platform, you can thrive, can't you? You can do anything. So
Like-
yeah,
Like I know people that are like I met people in Krabi. What they would do is like this guy's a waiter at a restaurant
Okay.
in the UK, and he would like work for a couple of months, get some money saved up, and go to Thailand, spend all his money, and then come back and make more money. It's like
you
literally
told me
like
before, didn't you?
yeah.
I remember. I've got the same man. He's actually flying over here in the next few days for. So what's happening, guys? Hope you like them interviews. So how much do I earn is the key. I came over here, okay, with around £6,000. Quit my job as a civil engineer and part-time personal trainer in the UK. That's all I've got to survive. I've been earning nothing. I've got enough to survive a year. So I'm just showing you that you can take that chance if you really want to change your life for the better. And to better your mental health, just if you've had enough, comment below. And also let me know where you're watching from, because I've got a lot more subscribers from different countries. So it'll be interesting to know now where you're watching from. And check out my page, Buy Me a Coffee. On there's all the details of the Digital Nomad Workshop. Like I say, I earned 0, so you can make that kind of change too. And more videos to follow. Just buy me a coffee, support me, and I'll help you do the same. Peace.